Talk to me, girl, talk to me, baby. Going blind from this sweet, sweet craving. Oh, let's lose our minds and go a little crazy. Ay, 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 ay. Keep on hoping we'll be caked by the ocean floor. Walk for me, baby. I'll be dating you, be Naomi. Whoa, let's lose our minds and go a little crazy. Ay, 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 ay. Keep on hoping we'll be caked by the ocean floor. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze who plays guitar lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this song. There's two different ways to play it. Well, I'm going to show you a couple ways with the chords to play it, okay? And I'm going to show you the picking for the intro as well. The song is pretty dang easy to play. The way that I just played it was a little bit more like the Landon Austin version, which is like an acoustic version that I found that I really love. But if you want to play it just the regular like DNCE way, you can just do that with no capo. Either way, it's going to be in standard tuning. But if you do it the DNCE way, it's the same chords, same strumming and everything. You're just going to do it without the capo, okay? Now if you're gonna do it with that, the Landon Austin way, it's the exact same thing, standard tuning, same chords, but capo on the 4th fret, okay? So the chords you're gonna use for this song, and I'm gonna show you where they go with the lyrics and the strumming patterns and everything, but the chords you're gonna use are E minor, you're also gonna use B minor, okay? Then A minor, all right, and then you're gonna do C. All right, so those are the chords you do. Now I'm going to show you how to pick the intro real quick. So the intro, you're just going to do open on the big E string. Okay, so you do just one, down, and then in the second one, so you do an open. You're supposed to palm mute it, but I'm going to show it to you open so that you can hear it better. Okay, so you do open, and then you go to the second fret. All right, and it's easier if you use your middle finger, but you can do the second fret on the A string. So you do open on the big E string, and then you do second fret on A. So dun 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 dun. So dun dun dun. And then you're gonna. So you want to have your pointer finger up here on the 1st fret of the A string, because then you can lift off. Okay. Now you should be muting it if you're not palm muting it, but anyway, palm muting it makes it easy. So I'm just showing you so you can hear it. So you're gonna do. Okay, see, like just like that. Dun 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 dun. Okay, and then you're gonna go to the 3rd fret. So you're gonna do open 3 3 3 2, and then you're gonna on the that's all on the A string. Okay, and then open. Okay, on the big E string. So you do. Oops, sorry, wrong fret. So you do open, and then you're gonna do 2 2 2 1 0 0 3 3 3 2 0. Okay, and that O, that last open is just gonna be on the E. So now I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna be showing you the strings that I'm picking. So you're gonna do E, E. So you do E, E, A, E. Okay, so you do only E at the very beginning and the tail end of it. All right, so open. So you do a second open, a second a little bit later. Just like that. Okay. So let me know if you have questions. Maybe I'll take like a screenshot or something, see if I can post that in the description. But that's how you play the intro part, okay? So it's very easy to play. You don't have to play it. You could just play the chords. Remember the chords, you're just gonna be doing. Now, you don't have to play it this way. This is a way, it's really hard to play and sing this way, I think, but if you can, kudos to you. So this is a way you could play it the intro. So you're just gonna do E minor, E, so you do E mute, sorry, E minor mute, E minor mute. And then you do one more after the mute, and then you're gonna go down to B minor, then down, up, down, down, A. So then you do A minor, you do A minor once and mute. And then you're gonna do, and then you're gonna go to C. Okay, so down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 down. Okay, down on E minor, down mute, down, down, up, down, up, down, down mute, down, down, up, down, up, down, down mute, down, down, up. So you do E minor mute, then you do a real quick E minor, then you switch over to B minor, down, up, down, A minor, and then mute, and then you're repeating that. So then you're gonna do A minor once, and then C. Okay, now you don't have to do that. An easy way to play it is, for during the verses, you could just be palm muting it and just be doing straight down. Let's see. Oh no, I see you walking around like it's a funeral. Not so serious, girl, why your feet cold? Okay, so you would just be doing down, 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 and you don't have to palm mute. You could just do down, 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 down. Okay. Now, the other way that you can play this, especially for the chorus, is you're going to be doing talk to me, baby. Going blind from this sweet, sweet craving of love. Let's lose our minds and go a little crazy. Ay, 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 ay. Keep on hoping we'll be caked by the ocean. Talk to me, baby. Okay, so for the chorus and the verses, you can do this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? So for the verse, you're gonna do E minor, oh no. So you do E minor on oh no. And then after no, you do B minor. C is A minor. See you walking round is C. Round like it's a funeral. Okay, a funeral is E minor. Funeral. And then B minor is right after funeral. Funeral. And then you do A minor up before not so serious. Us is where you're gonna do C. Us, girl, why you those feet? Feet is gonna be E minor. Feet cold. And then you do B minor right after cold. Cold. Okay, then you do A minor just before we just getting started. Started is C. Started, don't you tip. Tiptoe is gonna be E minor, but the tip part is E minor. Tiptoe. And then you do B minor in between the tiptoes. Tiptoe. Tiptoe. And then that second tiptoe, on toe, you're gonna do A minor. Toe. Ah. Then you're gonna do, you could do the same thing on the pre-chorus, just that waist down with the masterpiece, waist down with the masterpiece. Ah, you should be rolling me, you should be rolling me. You're real life fantasy, you're real life fantasy. Okay, you could just keep doing that. Now, when you get to the chorus, you're gonna play it just like that way I said. Talk, so you're gonna do E minor on talk. Talk to me, baby. Baby is B minor. Baby, and then you do E minor after baby. I'm going, baby, I'm going blind from this sweet, sweet craving. Okay, I'm going is C, going blind from this is E minor, this sweet, sweet craving. Craving is B minor, craving what oh. What oh, okay, that O part is gonna be A minor. Oh, let's lose. Okay, lose is gonna be C. Now, the thing with this is, the most important part of it is not necessarily trying to play it with each lyric. It's more gonna be just starting it right. Talk to me, baby. I'm going blind from this sweet, sweet craving. Oh, let's lose our minds and go a little crazy. See, because once you have it down, you're just gonna keep playing it. Now, another way you can play it if you want, like it for the second chorus or something to just make it more fun, is you can just do talk to me, baby. I'm going blind from this sweet, sweet craving. Whoa, let's lose our minds and go a little crazy. I keep on hoping we'll be caked by the ocean for walk for me, baby. I'll be dating you, be Naomi. Whoa. Okay, so now the way you're doing that is you're just strumming it way faster, but you're just doing the same, similar. You're just doing down, down, up, down. You're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, you're just doing that really quickly. So you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. just like that. Now, one other cool thing you can do for this song is if you want, when you're playing it really fast like that, if you play the higher sounding notes, the G, B, and a little E, it'll sound even cooler if you do. So you can play those notes more and it'll sound better. Not better, but another way to like add some spice to it. So that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. It's a pretty fun song to play. I hope you guys like it. Let me know, by the way, which version you prefer. If you prefer the DNCE version or the Landon Austin version, or if you've never even heard of the Landon Austin version. But also definitely check it out. It's pretty sweet. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.